Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to edit videos on your Samsung phone and explain whether you can reverse videos using the built-in Samsung Video Editor. To start editing a video, open your Gallery app and select the video you want to edit. Then tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open Samsung's built-in video editor, where you can trim clips, rotate videos, flip them, add text, stickers, filters, music, and even draw on the video. However, one thing the Samsung Video Editor currently does not support is reversing videos. There is no built-in reverse option available right now. If you want to reverse a video, you'll need to use a third-party video editing app like CapCut or another editor from the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. Keep in mind that many of these apps may require a subscription for full features, and free versions often include a watermark on exported videos. Still, they are the easiest way to reverse videos on a Samsung device. Hope this tutorial helped, and I'll see you in the next video.